Yes, so I don't come again this morning. I say good morning to my people for all around every areas and corners. Even in my own country, Obodo, Nigeria. I say another good morning to them. But meanwhile, this morning, as I don't know, my usual Papa Jojo, the only man will go make you Joe, because the spirit of his name, now he push on. Joe through the step board, Joe through Gopdagaibo, Joe through floor aerobics. This morning, as you have done with me, say, I get another man where they join me, another brother, another big uncle, where he be Israel. So already it is a day to the spirit of fitness word. So straight away, we go with that. I don't want to waste time. As you follow our account this morning, go up the Bible Step Board Movement season 12. Now I'm going to take this morning. So does the followers go? The formation of my own program to help you sweat out every tightness, stiffness, form of sickness, symptom of sickness out from your body as you go. 1, you'll need to kick the knee. Only the right knee, now you go up. 2, your right knee. 3, like that. 4, meanwhile, my people where they out there, where the followers go, I just want to let you know, say straight away, you feel no see my guest, see go the way I go. But you yourself just try to do it in meet up the level as we go like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Now so you count to go. 6. Now so you to follow. 5, like that. 4, 3, 2. Now the same leg now you still move like that. With your count. Yes, so 3, like that. 4, 5. Now so you go. 6. Where your hand? 7. Like that. 8. Yes, so 1. The same way. 2. Like that. 3. Yes. Good job. 4. Like that. 5. What will be the purpose of this one? You wait there where they watch us. Now to help your hips acquire the demand muscular shape where you need to fine tune them to your own really shape. Like that you go. Yes, so 3. Yes, so 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Now with your count. 4. Yes, so 5, 6, 7. After your 8, then your leg going to go on the basic. Go like that. Now so you the flow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything we will do for you. We want to change our heart to the other side. So my viewers wait there where they watch us. Just waiting from meet up the way we go. Yes, so 3, 2. Then you go change. Go. 1, like that. 2. Now your left knee you the kick. Like that. 4. Yes, so 5. Your flow. 6, 7. Continue like that. 8. It they pay you. 7. It they look tough on you. 6. It they make you feel like say 5. Your leg won't drop. 3. You no go give up. 2. Do 18. 1. Continue. No give up. 2. Like that. 3. The same leg. 4. Now only direction don't change. 5. Yes, so 6, 7. You see your count. 8. Again. 7. Yes, so 6, 5. Like that. 4. Sitting hand. 3. Yes, so 2. Now so you go. 1. You go to follow up. 2. Yes. 3, 4. Then you face your direction back again with your count. 6. Yes, so my people, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't spend with us. 7. But meanwhile, I don't forget say 6. This fitness show program, this 4. Fitness word. Good morning, Nigeria, where to watch. 2. Now top channel 195 Wazobia start time. 2. So until another day, me and my guest with the tenor say 5. Bye bye. Or if I say no pain, 7. No gain. Practice make perfect. So we go see. 7. Good night. 6. Yes, so 5, 4, 3, 2.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.